Namaskar. This is Basic Concept Classes presenting today's important current affairs. To begin with, international news. The Indian Army is participating in the 21st edition of the multinational military exercise Khan Quest 2024 in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. The exercise starting on July 27 includes contingents from 23 countries including India, China, Australia, Japan, the US and the UK focusing on joint peacekeeping operations. The Indian team has 40 soldiers mostly from the Madras regiment including one woman officer and two women soldiers. The exercise focuses on improving peacekeeping skills and teamwork. It helps different countries' armies learn to work together better. After that, national news. India's Chandrayaan-3 is selected to receive the World Space Award in October 2024 at the Space Summit in Milan, Italy. This award recognizes its significant achievement as the first mission to achieve a soft landing on the lunar surface's south pole. The landing site of Chandrayaan-3 is named as Shiv Shakti Point. The mission was launched by Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO on 14th July 2023 using the LVM-3M4 rocket, also known as Bahubali rocket, and successfully landed on 23rd August 2023. The lander named Vikram and the rover named Pragya played crucial roles in this historic mission. Consequently, 23rd August is now celebrated as National Space Day in India. Chandrayaan-3 India's lunar mission received several prestigious awards. The Astro Awards 2024 for innovation. The Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO has won the 2023 Leif Erikson Lunar Prize awarded by the Exploration Museum in Husavik, Iceland for its successful Chandrayaan-3 mission, and India's Chandrayaan-3 mission team has been presented with the prestigious 2024 John L. Jack Swigert Jr. Award for Space Exploration. President Draupadi Murmu has renamed two important halls at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Darbar Hall is now Ganatantra Mandap, Republic Hall, and Ashok Hall is now Ashok Mandap. Darbar Hall, the venue for significant ceremonies and national award presentations, and Ashok Hall, originally a ballroom, have been renamed to reflect their importance in India's democratic traditions. Now, some sports news. Atika Mir, a 9-year-old from Jammu and Kashmir, became the first female racer to win the Rotax Challenge International Trophy in France. Competing at the Le Mans Kart International Circuit, Atika triumphed in race 2 of the Micromax category heats. Manu Bhaker from Haryana made history as the first Indian woman shooter to win an Olympic bronze medal in Paris Olympic 2024 in the women's 10-meter air pistol event. Manu Bhaker is the 5th Indian shooter to win an Olympic medal, following Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, silver medal in 2004 Athens Olympic, Abhinav Bindra, gold medal in 2008 Beijing Olympics, Vijay Kumar, silver medal in 2012 London Olympics, and Gagan Narang, bronze medal in 2012 London Olympics. Next, business and economy news. On its 170th Foundation Day, Bank of Baroda launched 10 digital initiatives including a Gen AI powered Virtual Relationship Manager VRM and the Bobby Pay UPI payments app, which offers contactless tap and pay features. These initiatives aims to enhance customer experience across retail, agriculture and corporate banking, according to MD and CEO Devadatta Chand. And finally, science and technology news. The European Space Agency ESA announced the Ramses, that is Rapid Apophis mission for space safety mission to study the Apophis asteroid, which will pass within 32,000 km of Earth on April 13, 2029. This spacecraft will approach the 375-meter wide asteroid to gather data. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is seeking collaboration with ESA on this mission to track and study Apophis during its close encounter with the Earth. Thank you for watching. Click on the like button to encourage us. If you feel it is helpful to you, do subscribe now to our channel Basic Concept Classes for more such interesting updates and notifications. This YouTube channel is completely free for students. For your better preparation, practice the quiz session followed by news session daily. Practice GK current affairs with Murari sir. Thank you. Let us meet in the next session.